Do you know how to write the equation of a line when you've only been given 2 points on that line? Let's take a look at how to do this. Let's say that you've been given these 2 points, -2, 4, and 2, 2. And you know that both of these points are on a line on a graph. And you want to figure out what the equation is for that line. How would you do it? Well, first, you know you're going to need an equation, and you can use slope-intercept form. Y equals mx plus b. Now you actually have x and y values. You have 2 x values, -2 and 2, and you have 2 y values, 4 and 2. So that's something in this equation that you know. You don't know the y-intercept, that's b, and you don't know the slope. We have to know the slope and the y-intercept in order to complete the equation for the line. The first thing that we have to do in this case is find the slope. So slope, m, can be found by doing y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. These values, the x2 and the y1, and the y2 and the x1, are found here. So let's substitute in these values into this formula for finding slope. So we have 2 minus 4 in our numerator, and 2 minus -2 in our denominator. 2 minus 4 is -2. 2 minus a -2, these both become pluses, is 4. So the slope of this line is -1/2. Now let's move that over here. So y equals -1/2 x plus b. Well, we're getting closer. Now let's work on finding the y-intercept. We can use either one of the ordered pairs from the last screen. So let's use 2, 2 as our x and y values. Y is 2, -1/2 is our slope, times our x value, which is 2, plus b, the unknown we're solving for. Let's put this 2 over 1. 2 is equal to -1/2 times 2 over 1. Let's multiply our numerators. Negative times a positive. We already know our answer is negative. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2. So this is equal to -1 plus b. Let's rewrite that whole thing. 2 is equal to -1 plus b. Now we want to get b alone, so we can add 1 to both sides. The 1's cancel. 3 is equal to b. Now we can finish writing the equation. We have y equals -1/2 x plus 3. This is the equation for our line, and our work is now complete.